Hello everyone. So what do we have here? A book and dishwashing detergent. What are we going to do today? Are we going to wash this book? No. Today we are going to be talking about rooms in your home once again. So welcome to your geography lesson. And as I've said, today we're going to revise a little bit the rooms in your home, and then we're going to take a closer look at the spaces that you have in your own home. Okay, we're going to pay special attention to how different pieces of furniture are in different parts of our house. What does that mean? Well, every house in our room usually serves a specific purpose. Like there is a room where we sleep, there is a room where we wash ourselves, there is a room where we cook, there is maybe a different room where we eat. Of course, sometimes we do more than one thing in the same room, and that's perfectly fine, okay? So today we're going to take a look what do we do in each of those rooms, and we're also going to take a closer look at different things that we have in different rooms, okay? So before we get into that, I would just like us to remember what we talked about last time, which are some of the rooms in your home. So first thing we have is this one. It's bathroom. Yeah? Then where you sleep, it's bedroom. Where mommies and daddies park their car, garage or garage. Where we get all together, maybe watch TV, read a book, it's called living room. Now sometimes as part of our living room, we have a dining area, sometimes it's a special room, a separate room, and it's called dining room. Okay, when we go outside of the house, if we're lucky, we have a garden. Okay, but sometimes we don't have a garden, that is okay, but we might have a little balcony. If your balcony is quite big and spacious, then you would call it a terrace. Okay, on top of your house, you might find a roof. Now where you cook, that is called kitchen. And what else do I have here? If your house is in more than one level, you will be walking up or down using stairs. To leave one room and enter another, you're going to go through the door. Okay, where you enter your home or access other rooms, we call it hall or hallway. Okay, we look outside our windows to see what's going out or going on outside. Okay, so those are different words, and I'm just going to show them very quickly. Okay, window, floor, house, two extra ones, I know that I didn't show them before, hallway, door, stairs, kitchen, roof, balcony, houses are usually made of bricks, garden, dining area or dining room, living room, garage, bedroom, and bathroom. Okay, so these are the different places in our home. Now, you might be wondering, okay, Miss Ivana, that's all nice, but we've seen those cards before. Can we now take a look at that book? And of course, we are going to take a look at the book. But before we get to that, I want to show you this. So Miss Stephanie and I sent you a video, and in this video, it goes through all of the rooms in your home, okay, and tells you about different parts of furniture you might have in that, usually have in those rooms. So what is furniture? Well, furniture are the big things that you have in your home. Okay, so for example, I have here a knife. Is knife furniture? Of course not. Furniture is something bigger, like table, bed, chair, shelf. Okay, so those things that are usually put in one place and they stay there. You don't really move them around. They're just put. Okay, so I'm just going to show you a little bit of this video because it's very, very long. It's over 3 minutes. But I would like you at home to go through it again from the beginning until the end and pay attention again how in different rooms you have different things. Okay, so it's called House and Furniture.
This is the garden. This is the garage. This is the living room.
Okay, so these are first the rooms.
There is a TV in the living room. There is a sofa in the living room.
Sofa.
There is a wardrobe in the bedroom.
Where
There's
you
a
keep your
bed
clothes.
in the bedroom.
Where you sleep.
There is an armchair in the bedroom. There is an alarm clock in the bedroom.
So let's skip a little bit. And we come to my favorite room.
There's a table in the kitchen. There's a bathtub in the bathroom. There's a sink in the bathroom. There's a toilet in the bathroom.
Mom is watering the flowers in the garden.
Now, are flowers a piece of furniture? No. Flowers are for decoration or something we take care of.
Kelly is sleeping in the bedroom. Do you jump in the bedroom?
I don't jump in my bedroom, but you know, I'm quite big. So if I jump in my bed, I might break it. But maybe you're smaller, so maybe that's a fun thing you do at your home. Be very careful if you're jumping on your beds that you don't bounce off of them and end up on the floor with your head hit.
Do you ski in the bedroom?
What?
Dad is cooking in the kitchen.
Okay, so this video, we had it, you're gonna have it, we sent it, okay, and you can take a look what it says. Now, why do I have this book here? Well, first of all, this is one of my favorite books. It's called The Tiger Who Came to Tea. I know that some of you had it at home. I remember seeing somebody bringing it before to preschool. I think it was Max and Leo. If you have it, feel free to go over it, take a look. And also I think you can find on YouTube videos of this book being read out loud. One day I can read it for you, not a problem. So why do I have it here? So this book is about a girl. She's at her home when she has a very unexpected visitor, a tiger. This tiger came for tea. Now, why do I have it here is because I want to go through this book. I'm not going to read it, but I just want to show you the pictures because pictures show different things this girl has in her home. Yeah, different pieces of furniture and other things that she and her family use. So, for example, she has a table with 2 chairs. What's next? Here she is in her hallway, opening the door to let the tiger come inside. And now with her sibling, well, I don't know if this is her brother or her mom. Well, it's actually her mom, sorry. She and her mom are welcoming their guest, their unexpected guest, and they're having a little tea party. So you can see all 3 of them are sitting on their chairs, sitting at the table. Now let's see what else she has in her home. Ooh, there she is in her kitchen. Now, what are the things that we have in our kitchen? Of course, in every kitchen you must have a stove, a cooker, somewhere where you're going to prepare the food. So very often when we prepare the food, we need heat, yeah, to cook it. We need a stove or an oven. We usually have both. Now, we also have a lot of cupboards where we can keep our plates and different dishes that we have in the kitchen. We can keep them here in the cupboard. A cupboard can also be here above, or simply we have shelves. So shelves are open and cupboards are closed. Now here, I'm not sure that you can see well, but it's an angle of a kitchen sink. So where you wash the dishes, using this thing. or wash maybe fruits and vegetables before you eat them. It's very important. The fruits and vegetables come from outside. They're often on the ground. They can get a little bit dirty by the time they reach our table, so we need to wash them very carefully. Okay, where is the tiger now? Well, he climbed the fridge, silly tiger. Now, as I said, we often need heat to cook or bake food, but we also need refrigerator. Why? Because a lot of food needs to be kept in a cool place before we prepare it, otherwise it's going to go bad. Okay, here he is in a big cupboard, yeah, peeking in, very curious to see what the girl has. Now here you can see the sink batter with the tap. We usually wash dishes here, but the tiger decided to drink the water straight out of the tap. I guess a tiger didn't learn how to use a cup. Now what else do we have here? Let me take a look. Here is the mom trying to clean the kitchen after the guest has left. Yeah, so you can see their dining table is in the kitchen. That's what I said. The dining area doesn't always have to be a separate area. It can be in the living room or in the kitchen. Okay, and the girl is now going to relax after a day of entertaining her very unexpected and unusual guest, Mr. Tiger. She's in her bathroom, about to have a bath in the tub, and right now she's standing on a mat, mat. So you remember this is a word from our spelling log. And at the door, here comes the dad, standing on a different mat. Opala. Now he's sitting and relaxing in his armchair. So very often we have armchairs in our living room because they are more comfortable to sit on than chairs, or you might have one beside your bed where your mom or your daddy can take a seat and read you a bedtime story. Now let's see if there's anything else I would like to show you from this book. Now they're on the street, taking a walk. Okay, we are for now focusing what's inside our house. And again, having a dinner at their, well, actually they're in a restaurant now, but as you can see in this restaurant, they also have a table. Okay? Okay, so this is the book. Now, I'm going to stop this video, and in the next video, I'm going to give you a closer look at the things I have in my kitchen. Why kitchen? Well, kitchen is my favorite room in my house. Stay with me, be back in a minute.